In today's video, I'll remove the cartridge lock mechanism from my Japanese Mega Drive, and all I need is a screwdriver. This is a Japanese Sega Mega Drive, and it was part of a recent unboxing on AVK Studio. You can find the video somewhere here. This is a very early model, 1988. It does not have any trademark security system. However, what I realized is that it can play Japanese cards, it plays some American cards, and even some cards that used to be my own cards when I was a kid from Italy. But when you try the traditional European or American shaped card, like this NBA Jam for the Genesis, the power slider doesn't go till the end and the console does not power on. What if I tell you that it has nothing to do with the software, and it's all in the shape of this card and in a very clever physical region locking? The key to all this story is the shape of the card and this indentation. There's a plastic lever inside here that will hit against any card that you put inside, and it will prevent the button to slide till the end. See what I mean? I'm using NBA Jam. See, it doesn't go till the end. Every card that are not as wide as a European card, or they do have this indentation, they will actually work on a Japanese Mega Drive. And that's the reason why the European cards or the Genesis cards, they cannot be inserted without removing this. So we are going to open this guy up and remove what's preventing the on-off button to slide entirely. When you open your Sega Mega Drive, be careful because the slider of the volume will fall off, and don't pull it too hard because the LED is still attached. And I'm not an expert of Sega Mega Drive boards, but comparing the pictures to what I've found online, apparently this is a VA0, so can't get earlier than this one. But look how clean is this. Look at this guy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's the reason why cards that are wider or don't have that indentation, they will prevent the console to turn on. We can just remove this guy and get over with it. Oh, and this came off, so I will resolder it. Simple as that. You just get rid of these three parts and boom, your Sega Mega Drive is region free. Let me resolder this guy. Let's put everything back together and we are good to go. So if you fucked up like me, remember the red wire goes on pin number 1, while the longer leg of the LED goes with the red wire. I've tested NBA Jam, the Genesis version, which wasn't working before and now it fires up. I've tested Sonic 2, my Italian original OG Sonic 2, and as you can see, it works. I shouldn't show this, but I tested my 480 in one brutal Chinese card, and it works, as well as my EverDrive clone. It works like a charm. The Mega Drive Genesis world of cards is wild. There's a number of different shapes based on region, publisher and technology. Generally speaking, games published after 1992 have some form of region locking, ranging from incompatibility to inconsistent performance across systems. If you like this content, if it was relevant to you, please like and subscribe, and remember, keep growing, but never grow up. Until the next one.